Handy Hudsonite here. Live streams are an effective way to showcase your channel on YouTube. It's a great way to connect with your subscribers. It's a great way to connect with people in your niche. And what are ways that you can broaden your audience on live streams so that you can begin to reach out to new people even before the stream goes live? Well, I'm going to show you some tips on how to do that right after this. Okay, so I'm in the YouTube studio on my desktop, and you come here to the video tab, and then you come over to, you want to make sure you click on the live dashboard here so that you can see your live streams. There's a section here called upcoming live streams, streams that have not yet gone up public. I'm going to show you an example from a live stream that I did over the weekend on changing oil in my car live. What you can do is you can schedule your live stream, and the reason why you want to schedule it is it gives you some time to come into your dashboard here, your live dashboard, and build in some good SEO. So when you schedule your stream, it will show up in this upcoming section here, but because I'm going to be working with one that I've already done, we'll just come in here for the sake of this video, but you would click into this one just clicking on the title, and then it takes you into the normal YouTube Studio dialog that you'll recognize when you use for regular videos that you upload. So you come in here and you can craft your title and write your description of the video, and I'd encourage you to make this very keyword friendly based on what your live stream is about and the target audience you're trying to reach. I here am doing an oil change on my Honda Odyssey, so I write that in. I also featured some Amazon oil, so I have a link to that. It's an affiliate link with Amazon, and a lot of links and information that I normally put in my videos, and down here I added in my hashtags so that this would queue up within the YouTube algorithm, people that are searching out those topics. So one of the powerful ways you can do this is you come down here to your tag section and just build in different topic tags related to what your stream is about. I could have used more tags in this, but I didn't. But you want to populate this out as much as you can related to the topic of your live stream. So you're essentially setting this up the same way that you would set up a regular uploaded video on YouTube, and then you can put your live stream in a particular playlist. You can also come over here to advanced, and I'd encourage you to put in the recording date. If you want to add the location, you can. I didn't in this one. Make sure the category is set up properly so that the right people can find it who are interested in your topic. And then I always put in the English, since that's the language that I was using in this. And then make sure to click Save to save these. The other important thing you want to do is put in a thumbnail that is going to be descriptive of what's happening in the live stream, and you can create one that has text on it too, or other graphics. And again, you want to make sure that you choose the right the right choice here for COPPA, this new policy, whether it's made for kids or not. And so that's what you can do while you're waiting for your live to go public, which is the benefit of scheduling it. Give yourself at least 15 minutes, maybe 30 minutes if this is the first time you've gone through and built out the information in your stream, just like a regular upload. Save it, and then you can come back to your dashboard here, your live dashboard, to make sure it's all set up properly in here. And whether you're using an app like StreamYard or whether you're using OBS Studio or whatever, it doesn't matter. When you schedule the live stream like that, it gives you a chance to really build in that good keyword information so that when your video goes live, it will not only reach out to your subscription audience, but it'll reach out even beyond that. So just to give you an example, in this car maintenance video, I actually had several people come into the video who I had never seen before, who probably found it through the SEO I had built into it, who are interested in car maintenance, oil changes. So I hope this has been helpful. I am the Handy Hudsonite. Be sure to subscribe to my channel for more tips, hacks, and reviews like this one. And don't forget that notification bell so that you can get my content as it goes up. And I'll look forward to seeing you in the next video.